nasal congestion, runny nose, and sometimes headache or fever. The common cold isn't just an inconvenience, it's a disruption to one's well-being. It may lead to exhaustion, sleep deprivation, irritability. Why put up with the discomfort of colds for an extended period when it works to your advantage to recover quickly? In treating common cold symptoms, nature has a response. Go natural with Pelargo! Pelargo contains the power of Pelargonium sidoides root extract, made convenient in capsule form, while retaining its therapeutic action. In 5 clinical trials involving over 800 adults, research results show that Pelargonium sidoides DC root extract consistently demonstrated efficacy. Helps relieve cold symptoms such as nasal congestion, helps reduce cold symptom severity, and helps shorten symptom duration. That's the power of natural. Experience it with Pelargo. Don't let cold symptoms hold you back and slow you down for long. 1 capsule 3 times a day helps shorten the duration of colds, so you can bounce back soon. In treating common cold symptoms, go natural with Pelargo. From Pascual Lab, the same trusted name behind Vitex Negundo L. Lagundi leaf, Ascof, the #1 Lagundi cough remedy in the Philippines.